A bustling city-state known for its modernity and urban landscapes, yet hidden within its vibrant streets and towering skyscrapers lie a secret world teeming with rare and exquisite beauty, the realm of rare birds. Nestled amidst lush greenery and pockets of pristine nature, Singapore is a sanctuary for those winged marvels. This tiny island holds a treasure trove of biodiversity, attracting migratory birds from far-flung corners of the world. Meet the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher, a jewel-white bird with iridescent plumage, its vivid blues and oranges simmering under the dappled sunlight. It filts amongst the condensed foliage, hunting for its prey with swift precision. In the marshy wetlands, the cinnamon bittern